Your company is in the market for new call center software, and obviously you've heard the term AI, artificial intelligence, right? But you're wondering, what benefits does AI add to call center or contact center software? My name is Mike Smith. I'm the president of AeroCom. Let's put our heads together on this. Hey, before we get too deep into the video, if you'd like a shortcut and you'd like my recommendations on the best contact center or call center software vendors that your company should be quoting, reach out and contact me. I will help you make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time, and it won't cost you anything to use my services. Send me an email, give me a call. I would love to help you on this stuff. It's the reason why I do these videos. If you like the video, it's a nice way to say thank you to me by reaching out and asking for some help. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out. And if you like the video, hit the like button and leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. So we all know AI has a lot of benefits, but what benefits can it bring to the table when it comes to call center software specifically? Well, there's a lot of call center software solutions out there. So what I'm going to do is use my knowledge of all the vendors in the marketplace to kind of blend it together and give you an overall list of 7 benefits that AI can bring to the table for call center, contact center software. The first benefit is an intelligent virtual agent, IVA. That's a bot. So whether it's a voice bot or a chat bot on a website, you can use AI in order to make that a very intelligent bot. The bots have come a long way these days in terms of the large language models that they're using. So they can really understand what a customer's asking. No more of that automation menu where it's giving you a choice of words you can say and you're not saying the right word and all that stuff. AI can detect you asking a question maybe 1,000 different ways, and it can get you to where you want to be. So, when you have customers calling into your contact center, a lot of companies realize that sometimes about 40% of those calls coming in can be handled by an IVA bot. For instance, people calling in saying, oh, I forgot the number, I forgot the extension of the person I should be calling. I've already talked to you guys. I don't know which department I should be calling or things like that. All that can be handled by AI, and it will save your call center a lot of money on hiring a bunch of employees that didn't need to be hired in order to reduce wait times. It can also really make your customers a lot happier by reducing wait times and getting them where they want to go really quickly. The second benefit is automated call summaries and call dispositions. So after every call, your agents right now, they have a wrap time, right? So they have time to enter in all the information from that call. They have to type out a call summary in the notes. They have to disposition the call, like what did the person call? What's the reason for calling? All that good stuff. Well, guess what? AI can detect all that and automate that process. So all your call center agent has to do is just proofread that to make sure the AI got it right, which is right most of the time. So another big benefit AI brings to the table. Number 3 is smart cards. What smart cards are, they're little pop-up cards while one of your call center agents is on the phone. Say a product is mentioned on the phone. Well, you can have a little smart card that pops up that links to that product so the agent can get all the details without having to search too long to get that information. So anything that pops up, maybe a competitor's name pops up, a battle card pops up for the agent to know what that competitor does and all that good stuff. Or maybe price is brought up, so pricing pops up. Or maybe a customer's name is brought up, that all their billing, whatever you guys want. Smart cards and AI helps detect those words and pulls up the right cards that will help your agents answer your customers' questions and help your customers faster. Number 4 is quality management or quality assurance, QA or QM for short. What that is that's AI listening in on the call, detecting ways you can increase the quality of that call. For instance, what's the customer sentiment on the call? Are they happy? Are they mad? On the call, are things going on like, is the agent talking over the customer? Are they interrupting them too much? Maybe it's a training opportunity that can be sent to a manager like, hey, this agent maybe is making the customer mad. Maybe they're talking too fast. Maybe they're not saying the right thing at the right time, all that type of stuff. So quality management ensures that your call center manager has the best information possible to train your agents in the moment, maybe jump on the call, maybe interrupt a call, all that good stuff. Quality management, a big thing AI can help your call center with. Automated call scoring is another big benefit of AI. So, something that call center managers often do is that they pick a call once in a while to score. So they'll pick a call recording at random, listen to it, and score that agent on that call. They'll give them a score a lot of times of a range between a 1 and a 10, 10 being a perfect job, 1 being obviously a really poor job. Well, that can be automated. If you tell AI what you want to score the call based on, AI can score the call for you and have agents to where every single call is scored instead of one random call once in a while. So it's going to save your call center manager a ton of time, and it's going to give you a lot more accurate information in terms of how your agents are doing on calls. Similarly, AI can automatically give you CSAT scores on every single call. So in the past, remember those surveys at the end of the call that nobody really takes unless they're really mad or really happy, so only like maybe 3% of the calls? Well, AI can automatically, based on customer sentiment and the things said on the call, AI can give a best guess CSAT score on every single call that takes place. Now, if the customer fills out a survey, that survey can override the AI CSAT score, but at least you're getting a CSAT score for every single call, not 3% of the calls. So it gives you a lot better insight as to what your customer satisfaction rates are. And lastly, lucky number 7 is workforce management. AI can detect patterns in call volumes and give you future recommendations for staffing depending on time of day or seasonality or times during the month that you guys ramp up calls, all that good stuff. So it can help you with staffing so you aren't short-staffed or overstaffed because AI is detecting the actual calling patterns. Okay, so that's my 7 benefits of AI. There's a lot of other benefits too. If you'd like to know my recommendations on the best call center vendors your company should be quoting, reach out and contact me. I'll tell you more benefits of AI depending on what you guys need. I'm a broker for all the major cloud contact center solutions out there, and I've been doing this for over 20 years. So based on your company's recommendations, I can tell you which 3 or so vendors your company should be quoting and why. I can introduce you to the best salespeople to work with at those vendors. I can make sure you get a great demo on those solutions, and I can oversee the quoting process to make sure you get the very best pricing on the vendors of your choice. And the nice thing is for you, all those benefits that I bring to the table are included at no charge to your company. The contact center solution vendors pay me my broker fee, so your company doesn't have to pay me anything. So there's no excuse to not at least reach out and ask me my opinion on this stuff. Send me an email, give me a call. I would love to help you on this. As you can see from these videos, I love talking about this stuff. I've been doing it for a long time, and I'd love to help your business. So it's a reason why I do these videos. If you like the video, do me a favor, reach out and ask me for help on this. All right, again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out. And if you like the video, hit the like button, ring the bell, leave me a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.